Please, yeah. Please, there's enough for both of us. It's 2 portions.
How did you manage that?
I got 2 portions. Drink up. How's the arm?
Better than yesterday and the day before that. There's your half.
No, please, go ahead and finish it.
No, it's yours. You need it as much as I do.
With your arm as it is, you could
My
use it.
arm is mending. A few more days and it will be fine.
And when it is better, you can repay me. Go
I
ahead.
don't need a caretaker. You drink it, it's yours. Thank you. But I don't need help. I just need a few more days.
You're right. I'll let you get back to your rest.